how to enable ChatGPT voice to voice on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting feature that lets you talk to ChatGPT using voice on your phone, both iPhone and Android. First things first, if you haven't already made sure to download the ChatGPT app from an app store, then do it because the voice to voice function is only available in the app but not on the ChatGPT browser. So once you've downloaded it, open the app and on the search bar you see a mic option. If you tap on it, your voice will be recorded. You can ask anything to ChatGPT and just confirm it, and then ChatGPT will give you the answer of it. I'll show you an example. Hi Chat, can you tell me what is the color of the sky? So there you go. Now ChatGPT will give me my answer. Now, another thing what you can do is change the voice of the AI if you want to. You can go to the two lines on the top and then go to settings. Even change the app language to any other language that you're comfortable with. And you can also go to voice, and there you can choose any voice that you like as a voice assistant in ChatGPT. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.